Girl, make your bed. Hey, welcome. I'm Alex. I'm your host. This is for beauty artists and entrepreneurs who are ready to take their business, lives, and income to the next level. So are you ready? Let's pay your tab. In the beauty industry, we are artists, of course, but we are also entrepreneurs. We run our own businesses, and success as an entrepreneur is all about habits, routines, and discipline. Entrepreneurs live the life no one else can because they're willing to do the things no one else wants to do. Being an entrepreneur, as you know, is different from having a job, especially in the beauty industry. We get paid when we sit down with a client, and while there are ways to scale beyond this and make money beyond our one-on-one clients, we need to put in the work to get the clients first. We need the motivation to work, to reach our goals, to reach success. And this is different. This goes really against everything we were taught in mainstream school and society. We are taught that we work hard and we get paid for that work. You find yourself a job that pays you for the hours that you put in, but entrepreneurs do it differently. We put in hours and hours of free work for long-term gain, for long-term success. As an entrepreneur, you get to be your own boss, which is amazing, right? But it also means that you have to be your own boss. You have to check yourself. You have to be the one creating that discipline for yourself. You need to create that discipline so that it can kick in when your motivation is not there, because you won't feel motivated every day. And discipline comes from creating habits, creating routines, and sticking to them. And once you start sticking to them, you start to see results, and then you start to become addicted to these results. The results start to become part of your identity, and it becomes easier and easier to be disciplined. So how do you create your first success habit? You make it easy. You pick one thing and you do it every single damn day. The best way to get started is to pick one thing and make it part or all of your morning routine. That allows you to win your morning. You complete one success task in the morning and it sets you up for success for the rest of the day. So pick one thing. Girl, make your bed. Or say one thing that you're grateful for. Actually get ready for work. Stretch, read 3 pages of book, whatever you want it to be. But the example of making your bed is an easy one that feels good to have done. And as entrepreneurs, right, we need to do the things that feel good to have done that also might not always feel good while we're doing them. It may not be what we want to do, but in the end, it feels so good to have done, which is, for example, making your bed. So now do this every single day. Make your bed every single day, no matter what the morning throws at you. When you start to do this every day, it becomes addictive in a good way, in a way that makes you want to keep doing it, in a way that it becomes really part of you, that you become the girl that always makes her bed in the simplest of forms. And I know this does sound simple, but it is step one. It's showing yourself that you can create a good habit, that you can stick to a routine, that you can become who you want to be. And then you can add from there. So it's that simple. Choose one routine. My example of making your bed is a super simple one, and start doing it every single day. Create your own morning routine, create your own success habit. Show yourself, show the universe that you can stick to something, that you can be disciplined, and that you can be successful. So that is it for today. If you want to learn more about building success for your business, aka attracting and booking more clients, download the free Booked Up guide. The link is in the show notes. While you're at it, please hit like and subscribe. I put out new episodes once a week. I'll see you then.